Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shiba Inu. Now, Shiba Inu journey so far. Shiba Inu started with about 10 zeros. Yes, just the way people were looking at Shiba Inu then, people never knew this coin was going to kill about half of the zeros. And believe it, Shiba Inu currently is trading with about 5 zeros. And I believe coins like Pepe coins, coins like Shiba Doge, coins like Tectonic token, just the way Shiba Inu started, in the next 2, 3 years, 5 years, you might be seeing this coin that are trading with 5 zeros, 6 zeros, start trading with about cents or even 2 zeros. So it depends on patience. Now, Shiba Inu coin actually deleted about 3 zeros, and there's a possibility, 5 zeros, there's a possibility to delete more 3 zeros before the end of 2025. Yes, before the end of 2025, we believe this coin Shiba Inu that is currently trading with about 5 can delete about 3 zeros before the end of 2025. Now, deleting 1 zero is not that far because currently trading at 0.000007, which means if Shiba Inu rises a little more, they will delete 1 zero, remaining 4 zeros. That remaining 2 zeros, there's a possibility for these 2 zeros to be deleted before the end of 2025. Remember, this is one of the biggest coins out there, one of the coins with the highest number of followers on social media. And of course, Shiba Inu still remains among the top coin. I think right now is ranked the top 20 crypto coins with the highest market cap. So they have what it takes to support. Now they've also focused on burning Shiba Inu coins. Still, these things will help Shiba Inu to rise within the next 2 years. Yes, there's a probability that in the next 2 years, Shiba Inu is going to delete 2 zeros, which is about 10,000%. So calculate your earning by then. If you have Shiba Inu coin or you want to buy Shiba Inu coin, calculate your earning by 2025 if Shiba Inu hits 10,000% increase in price rather. So I believe that yes, the coin is doing well, though the coin have really dropped in the past few months because it was actually ranked among the top 10, but as of today, it's ranked among the top 20. Yeah, that's the truth. Shiba Inu have really dropped in the past few months, but this coin can still rise again with latest project they have. So let's keep on supporting Shiba Inu coin because I believe one day we might see Shiba Inu trading with just 2 zeros. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by. I love Shiba Inu coin so much. In fact, Shiba Inu is one of my best crypto coins so far.